So now we've got a basic understanding of sort of what the extension does and the data flow behind it. So how can this extension improve the Qlik experience? And I'm going to go through this pretty fast, but the 3 points that we've boiled this down to is, the first one is doing more within Qlik. So it removes the need for users to leave the Qlik environment to capture data and then wait for it to come back into their dashboards. And then the second piece, which is really a product of the first, is it accelerates that pace of the data cycle. So BI vendors often talk about analytics at the pace of business, but waiting for applications to refresh on a schedule can be a real bottleneck. So being able to adjust a forecast number and share that with your team who are also looking at that Qlik app immediately, or comment on a transaction and share that with finance, any of these kind of operations, it turns Qlik into more of a true operational tool as opposed to just a read-only tool. And the third piece here is really all about driving collaboration. So analytics shouldn't be read-only. It should be a two-way conversation and truly interactive. And this is what the Writeback extension enables.